The recipe for the cornbread, cheddar cornbread on page 41 says 200 grams of flour, and I measured that out to 1 1/3 cup of flour. Now it says to do 125 grams of cornmeal. I'd say 3/4 of a cup of cornmeal. 58 grams of sugar. 2 teaspoons of salt. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'm going to start making the cornbread dough for this recipe. In the bottom corner it says you can use extra cornbread batter to make muffins. Cook 6 muffins at 350 degrees. So I have my oven preheating and I've got 6 greased muffin cups here. So now we're going to add, I'm using coconut milk, a cup of milk. The oil works, it says 6 milliliters of canola oil, and that worked out to a 1/4 cup of oil. One egg. And give it a stir. When the Ninja is done cooking, it's to be a quick release. And a generous cup of cheese. I've decided to do the bread recipe, cornbread recipe as a separate, as well as part of the video for making the chili. So I might break out the chili recipe and give you a choice of the long version or the short version. So that would mean three videos in your choice, long or short, depending on what you want to do. This looks like it's going to be delicious. And it doesn't look like I'm really gonna have much extra. It reminds me of dumplings. I don't know if I'm making them too big or not, but it looks like I'm going to be using all of the batter in this chili, and there isn't going to be any left over for making muffins. That's it, last one. Okay, time for the cornbread with the chili. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. We've had turkey for the last couple of days, so I thought I'd try something different and do the chili in the book. Oh, very good. Very, very good. That is a major do-over. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've tried this recipe, please comment below. Keep coming back as I'm going to do more.